This is the first official meeting of Windu Ondu Buddhu Society. Okay, sounds pretty cool. So here's the unofficial club for Fujikaze. And I'm excited because we only have 3 rules for this club. First one, you have to love the artist, Fuji. I guess you guys like to call him Kazi. Secondly, you have to treat other people nice like he does. And third, the most important reason for all of this is to get me to meet him. He goes to New York a lot. I'm in Philly. I'll take a day off of work, go up there and meet him. Not just meet him, I want to do a documentary on this whole experience. I'm going to do a second mortgage on my house to pay for it. So, all my subscribers in Japan, find a friend of a friend that's his friend, or a friend of a friend that knows people that know him, and let's make this happen. I'll spend tens of thousands of dollars on this just because I think it'd be cool. I know, I think weird thoughts. But anyways, let's go on to some music. I'm going to mention this every video from now on. So if you hate it, I'll try to make it short because you're here for him. It Never Rains in Southern California, another 70s song. I know it. I'll try not to sing it. I don't know it that well, so I don't have to sing every word. Here we go. Where's the button?
Got on board the westbound 747. Didn't think before deciding what to do. All that talks of opportunities, TV breaks and movies, I'm sure I'm true. Will you tell the folks back home I didn't make it? Head over, I don't know which one to take. Please don't tell them how to find me. Don't tell how you find me. Give me a break. Give me a break. Since it never rains in Southern California, it seems like I've heard the kind of talk before. It never rains in California, but girl, don't live on ya. It
only 19 seconds left of the video. I forget I'm supposed to pause these things and talk about it. I just enjoying the man. I like how he can use his hands as an instrument. I can't. I see the joy in him. I see the talent. I think he's going to make it big one day. Nice. He makes it enough of his own where it doesn't sound like karaoke where someone's trying to just sing the song. Oh, don't forget, you're watching this to help me meet him. Oh, let's get back. 19 seconds left. I can finish this. Nice. Wow, look at that. The man did his own fade out. Very impressive. He's thinking of his future. He's thinking, okay, am I going to do fade outs when I'm in the business? Because I will be, and it's obvious he will be. So that was fun. Lots of little surprises now where he's doing things and you think, oh, that's kind of smart. So I'm kind of smart. Why? Because I watch him. He's a great person. That's smart.